Hello everyone, my name is Guangzi Zhang. Today I want to tell you guys how to recognize the value of a resistor. Resist color codes are something that every electronics engineer should be able to use and remember. The color strip on a resistor is a method the manufacturer uses to label the resistor with its own value and tolerance. Resistors, calculator, color code chart. First, when you get a resistor, first thing is to check the resistor's value color code. This is the example of the resistor, and it contains by first color band, second color band, multiplier color band, and tolerance color band. Now we are going to read the value of it. Second, each of different color is present their own value. They stand for specific resistance numbers and multiplier coefficient for the color bands. Third, the last band can contain only one of both four colors. It stands for tolerance. Resistors are never the exact value that the color code indicates. Therefore, manufacturers place the tolerance color band to all resistor to tell you just how accurate this resistor is made. It is simple a measurement of imperfection as the chart indicates. Brown means the resistor is beneath 1%. Gold means the resistor is beneath 5% of being dead accurate. Silver being beneath 10% and no color band is being beneath 20%. This is the number that the resistor may go either way. When we read the value of the resistor, we always ignore the tolerance code. Fourth, after knowing each color code stands for, now begin to read the value of the resistor. Start from the first color code and determine its color. Now look at the color code chart and match the first color band to the date it represents. Write this number down. For this picture, you can see the brown represents 1, so write down the number 1 in the first color band. Fifth, now look at the second color band and match the color to using filter 2 or 4. Write this number next to the first digit. Don't add the first two numbers together. Let's just put together to stand for a specific number. According to this resistor, the second color band is black with stand for 0, then write 0 next to 1. Now it is 10 in the written sheet. Sixth, the last color band is the number you will multiply the result by. Match the third color band with the multiplier. This is the number you will multiply the other two numbers by. Write it next to the other two numbers with the multiplication sign before it. In example shown in Figure 1, the multiplier color is red, therefore red in multiplier stands for times 100. Last, calculate the value of the resistor. Put the number we wrote all together now. Simply multiply the first two numbers by multiplier. In figure, the value of that resistor should be brown stand for 1, black represents 0, red means times 100. So the total value is 10 times 100 equal 1000 ohms equal 1 kilo. When we write the value of the resistor in our labs, we always ignore the tolerance code. In a conclusion, through these steps, you could know and recognize the value of the resistor quickly. Be sure that in the multiplier, we don't necessarily to read the value stand for color. The digit means 10 times, so we just need to calculate the color representing the multiplier code. And here is my audience.